subscriber, AJ. So today I'm super excited because I'm doing a review. I ran down the stairs, okay. I'm in the basement, so sorry about the lighting. I was gonna hold this video off till I got home from vacation, because literally I have way better lighting. I have natural lighting, because like, anyways, today I went to Walmart, and I was looking, the specific reason we went, well not specific, but I wanted to go because I wanted to look for the Animal Jam toys, and we were looking all through their toy aisles. I'd never been here, well I haven't been here in like three years, like we were looking through all the toy aisles, so we didn't see any of them. Then walking down, like the main part, we saw them, so I got two sets. I got, sorry about the light, did I already say that? Okay, yeah. I got the monkey, and the like, big one. So, yeah, we're gonna get this open. I've been holding this off for like maybe 3 hours, but now we get the code that you can scratch and redeem. So, while I'm just facing this direction, I'll just go ahead and tell you everything. So, there's the packaging. Here's the adorable little monkey with its, what is that called? Painter's hat? No, it's not. Okay. It comes with wings, and that thing right there. Those are earrings. This is Lucky Monkey and Pet. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice. I didn't even, like, notice it said Lucky. It's perfect. Okay, Lucky Monkey and Pet Puppy. Like, yeah, it's like, yeah, okay. So again, I already said that, I'm like going crazy. And then the big set, which also has a scratch and redeem code, and it has like this little hanging thing which can move. Then I got the fox one instead of the deer. Basically, it's a Princess Castle game. I just didn't really like the figure that much, but yeah. So let's go ahead and get it. Did I mention I was in a basement, so that's how I have a coin to scratch off the code. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna start off with the small set first, which is the back. See, I was gonna get the otter, but they didn't have it. They had So, first thing that I pull out are the wings, which I'm just gonna... That's tiny. Wonder why the puppy has a hole, but here's a little purple and white puppy. So yeah, at the very end of the video, I'm going to be showing them like in focus. So alright, that's the first that I got, and I'm gonna scratch the code off right there. Super long code. But anyway, let's move on to the struggle one, like struggle land. Took so long, like their packaging, like, oh. So first thing I'm going to show you is the little background, which, it's Engelwoods, little Engelwoods. Okay, can I do that? Okay. We might all recognize this from the game Animal Jam Autographer. Also these babies, and I actually have one of these plants. For some reason this reminds me of Barbies, like, okay. I've never seen that heart window, but I've seen everything else. Yeah. Really, the outside is so textured, like, did I say that? Okay, never mind. Oh, and look at the bottom. And like it has holes right here, or something. I think you can connect other sets to. I'm not really sure, but like there's like a thick border also, like you can stick your fingers on it. Yeah, so this is that. Then the next thing is this pink couch with like vines and hearts on it. And the chest, which I'm really upset about because I thought it would open, but it doesn't open. It's just like for decoration. Then got the little mirror, so yeah. And yes, I'm recording on that, so. Well, man, it's like really, and I just messed it up, okay. Then I got the fox, which comes with a little bait tiara because I decided to put rubber bands on it and like sparkly wings, if you can see. Let's see. Yeah, sparkly. And there's a little ladybug. Right there. Yeah, super big ears. Oh my gosh, the lighting, what the heck. Okay, so yeah. And my two codes, which that wasn't the code side. This is the code side. And I'm gonna set these for 3 pets, but not pets, jammers, okay? Jammers. So, yeah, here we go. Yes, there it is. If you enjoyed this video, if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and tell me in the comments which Animal Jam set I should get next, and I'll probably get it and review it, maybe, I don't know. And also, I have thumbnail commissions on my channel already. There's a video on that if you want to go check that out. I mean, thumbnails are pretty simple to make, so I understand why people wouldn't enter that. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in